Jackfruit seeds recipe, a healthy snack. Welcome to my channel Madhura Smriti. Cook healthy, eat healthy and stay healthy. Whenever we eat jackfruit, we get a lot of seeds in it. Wash them and boil glass of water, add little salt and a pinch of turmeric and bring to a boil. Now add the washed jackfruit seeds and cook for 10 minutes. Switch off the flames and allow it to cool down. Now remove the water and peel the seeds. Jackfruit seeds are rich in dietary fiber and B complex vitamins, and due to their high fiber content, they help lower the risk of heart disease, prevent constipation, and promote weight loss. Jackfruit seeds also contain resistant starch, which controls blood sugar and keeps the gut healthy. Cut the peeled jackfruit seeds into small pieces or as your desired size, or you can use as it is. Heat tablespoon of oil and add the seeds and fry for about a minute. Now add little salt as per your taste and a pinch of turmeric powder and stir fry. It has minerals like iron, potassium, phosphorus, sodium, magnesium, calcium, and vitamins like C, A, riboflavin, thiamine. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir fry and now add handful of grated carrot. It enhances the taste of the seeds. Switch off the flame. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve. You can squeeze lemon juice for tangy flavor or add garam masala powder or chaat masala powder to flavor as per your taste. Healthy snack is ready to serve, or you can serve as a side dish. Enjoy the seasonal jackfruit seeds recipe. Try yourself. Please share with your family and friends. And for more healthy and interesting recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.